Hello, friend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. In this video, I really want to share something that is very painful. YouTube demonetized my channel, and I can tell you it really breaks my heart. It's really hurtful. However, I have decided to turn my mistakes into a lesson that will help you. What I'm going to do right now is I'll first of all share with you things that you need to avoid if you don't want your channel to be demonetized, if you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to get monetized, and if you want your channel to last. See, these 5 tips that I will be sharing with you are things you should avoid. While at the end, I'm going to tell you the exact one that made my channel to be demonetized. So I will encourage you to watch this video to end. If you are a new YouTuber looking for how to avoid demonetization of your YouTube channel, how to grow your channel, how to allow your channel to last long, this video is definitely for you. So without spending much of your time, let's dive into these 5 tips that you need to avoid if you don't want your YouTube channel to be demonetized. The number one thing you should avoid is you should be careful of the videos you upload on your YouTube channel. You should be careful. Make sure that those videos have not been uploaded by other content creators. Then 2, the second video you should avoid uploading on your YouTube channel is those videos of your favorite events. You've gone for wedding, you've gone for birthday party, you've gone to the gym. Now you collected all those videos, or any video of event, your favorite one, you uploaded it directly to YouTube without saying something, without explaining that video to your audience, without adding narration to that video. YouTube is going to haunt you in future. They might accept the video in the long run, but in future, once your channel has been monetized, or when it's time for them to calculate your payment for the week, they are going to flag it and probably demonetize your YouTube channel. And the 4th thing you should avoid is collection of songs from different artists. Even if they gave you permission to do so, please try and avoid it, because it's against YouTube's policy. And the 5th one you should avoid is other videos you collected, or you downloaded, or you compiled from other websites such as Instagram. Let me give you an example. You now went to Instagram and you get that viral video, you downloaded it, and then you now upload it to your YouTube channel, probably without any voiceover, without any explanation. Please don't try that, because if you do that, you might get the views, you might get the subscribers, but one day YouTube is definitely going to haunt you for that. So avoid these things. Now, these 5 YouTube tips I have just mentioned that you should avoid, I will now tell you the exact one that got my channel demonetized. The one that got my channel demonetized is the 5th one, which is downloading videos on Instagram and then adding sound, or without adding voiceovers to explain the video. That was what demonetized my channel. So let me tell you how it happened. On a fateful day, just this August, last month, because this demonetization happened the 1st of September. So as soon as I opened my YouTube channel and I saw this message on my screen, I was shocked. So I became inquisitive and I wanted to know exactly what happened. It's not just one videos. There are about 5 to 6 videos. I downloaded them from Instagram, then used my CapCut, my video editor. I removed the sound, and then I added the sound from audio library without saying something, without explaining that video. I think that was what got my channel demonetized. So please ensure that you avoid this mistake. Don't ever try to make this mistake. If you want to grow on YouTube, if you don't want your channel to be demonetized, and if you want to be proud of the channel you are building, avoid downloading videos from other websites and upload on your YouTube channel without adding voiceover. It is against YouTube policy. The reason why I'm sharing this tip is because I don't want you to go through what I went through. If you really want to grow and monetize your YouTube channel, please always remember this. Always ensure you add your voice or your opinion on any video you downloaded from any website and trying to upload it on your own YouTube channel. Make sure you add a voice over. Then 2, always try and ensure that your videos are unique. Then the 3rd one is make sure you add value to that video. before you upload. These things I mentioned to you, they are non-negotiable. YouTube rewards creativity and originality. If you decide to copy and paste, your channel may grow for a while, but one day YouTube is definitely going to flag it. So if this video helped you, share with other YouTubers, especially new YouTubers. So let's build channels that last, channels that earns, channels that you can be proud of. And to my fellow YouTubers, never give up. Learn from my mistakes and keep pushing forward. Till I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Dear friend, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this wonderful video, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss my subsequent videos. One more thing, go to the comment section, let me know your feel about this video, and finally share this video with whoever you think might find it interesting. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.